to Donnie Lewis for Rat Rods, 2 lanes, and neon. Going through a flood wall because we're by the Ohio River. Looking for a very old train bridge. You can park here and walk, but I'm not much on walking. New Albany, Indiana. Hope it don't rain a bunch from behind the flood wall. Go find this old train bridge. And it's really close. Probably can't see the water, maybe the reflection. That's the Ohio River. Bad boy crosses it. Find somewhere to park, get some good viewing point, better position on it. We can see a little bit more. Beautiful old bridge. What you're looking at there, I do believe, was the car part, the very first one. Then the other side got one just like it, and you went each direction on it. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Built to last. Yeah, that was the car one. There's a little gate there stopping it now. But a car drove on that. You got your 2 train tracks. And there's where the other car road would have been at one time. Crazy to think that they would have tried that, but why not? Yeah, there's a little gate there blocking that. You can see it up there. Such a beautiful bridge. Am I going backwards? Yeah, I am. You just can't really see a lot of it. It's so green right now. All the buttons you can see. I don't think you can get up on top of it anywhere, but you have to try. I like having better pictures.
Just a regular guy. I put my pants on, looking left leg, right leg, and then an industrial drain froze in my testicles. Yeah, just a regular guy.
Alright. That will be a selfie. Right here in New Albany, Indiana, on the Greenway, Ohio River Greenway, walking, bicycle and trails and things. See if we can find a better picture for y'all. Better spot. Here's a good shot from the bottom. Right on the road, easy to see. Drive to it easy. And there's a selfie with the bridge. Had to do that. Here's a view from down the way, just a hair from the west. Crosses the river, goes over there, and you can't see it from here. There's a slight bend right there, and it makes a little tiny bend and goes over to around 31st or 32nd Street in Louisville and goes down and crosses the road there. And that's where those little pods or bases are left in the old toll booth across the nickel. You look, tomorrow will come down to here. I'm just glad they kept all this stuff. Man, am I glad they kept all this stuff. I like that. You don't see them too much anymore. Man, you don't see them. Everybody's out enjoying the day. Here's another good shot of the truss work on the bottom. Super neat. Before we drove off, thought I'd try to nab one more of these. Maybe a little closer than it was. Truss work on these things were amazing. All pop riveted together. This stuff is art. It's amazing. It really is. Here we've made it to the top. And the tow booths sit right in between those two triangle-shaped pieces of cement concrete. So a car couldn't hit the little wooden tow booth. They put them in between those concrete things. This lane would have been the southbound lane. There's a good close-up. That little gate there blocks off the automobile road on the bridge. And, of course, a bridge selfie. Got to do the bridge selfie. And here my beautiful wife is taking a selfie with me in the bridge. Her. There's the little metal fence that kept you from falling over in the river off that automobile lane there. That'd been sketchy and scary. There's another long shot of it with the bridge. That little fence is all that kept you from sudden death in the water or whatever. There's a little plaque. Can't get to it because you need to be trespassing. There's a good look at the automobile lane. Look how narrow it is. There's still the tire tracks where it had so much traffic on it at one time. But it's just a neat bridge. We'll have to cap it. Here's another shot of that little wire fence there. Man, I don't know. And there's no shoulder on the other side or nothing. It was just straight down behind that little wire metal fence there. Now I got a lot more video here. A few minutes of it, a lot closer. We got up, took some look-see at it. You can check this out now. It's a neat old bridge. You'll love it. This is cool. I found the pads where the little tow booth was. There's the tracks. There's the bridge in front of me. And there's little tow booths that sit up here on these pads. And you would pay a nickel to cross the bridge. How cool is that? This is where the cars would have come across. You stopped there and paid. Yeah, there's some metal down here probably. And there's the little gate up there, hard to see, but yeah, this is a car bridge on the left and the right, and a train bridge in the center, and there's the tracks for it. I didn't think I could get up here this close. Pretty neat. Yeah, I can. I just wanted to get some better pics for y'all. Ended up finding those little concrete foundations where the old tow booth was. How cool is that? And I haven't seen a sign yet that says no trespassing. This may still be a city street for all I know. Straight ahead would be where the cars would have drove on both sides of the gate. This is the train bridge. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, every day. How cool was that? The gate there and the gate there for the automobiles where they would come across. Now it's closed. How cool is this? All these train tracks go every which way in New Albany. Oh, I don't think I could actually get up here, but I have. Yeah, there's two sets up there. I thought there was. Right across the Ohio. So that's where the cars would went. Now those little things there, man, they're narrow. It is narrow. Well, no trespassing sign. You're just gonna go past that, you're fine. I think. Wow. Yeah, man. Yeah, a car would have come across this thing. It's like wowsy, wowsy, wow. Here's the car side. That's narrow. Even by Frankenstein standards, that's narrow. Not going past the sign. There's a plaque over there. This is no trespassing to get to where the plaque is. To read the plaque that they put up there for you to read. That's one of those conundrums, folks. We just came from down there and under it. It's hard to see. There's a road down there. That's where we was at. That little road. Yeah, but here she is. There's a little better pictures for you. And there's the road for the cars. I think we're gonna wrap her up here. So, till next time, this is Donnie Lewis for Rat Rods, 2 Lanes, and Neon. Remember, folks, drive them. Have to back up and turn around, I guess. There she is in all of her glory. Frankenstein looks good there. We're gonna get a quick pick before I shut her down. I'll get a couple. All right, we're out.